Guys, stop chasing recruiters and prospects. Pop your profile instead. Here's how in today's profile pop-up for Tancred. Now that picture, you got to have a professional picture. It's the first thing, and it may be the only thing people see. And actually, take a look at when I back out to typing in your name. Right now, it looks to me like you've got worse going on. You've got a settings issue. When I type in even part of your name, your picture isn't showing. That tells me that something's wrong with the settings. Make sure that that picture is public, and I can let you know in the comments below. But also, look at this. Even if you get that picture fixed, it's got to be professional. You've got a short enough name. That's good. But then all I see about you is a former quality assurance. What, supervisor, specialist? I don't know. I don't know exactly what it is, but is that enough? This is the question. To make you begin to pop, that may be all you get. Is that enough to have people want to open up your profile? So, now that they do, they look at your About section. I am highly motivated, work well under pressure, supervision, always excel. And you've got a whole bunch of attachments. I can't tell what I'm about to click on and what those attachments are, but I looked at them before, and they are some good proof of what you've done, like your certificates and all that, right? So that's good, but make sure people know what those are, and make sure that you've got a nice big visual is even better. Okay, and I've got other tips about that we can get into also. Now notice this About section, even if I opened it up, there wasn't a lot there to pop and to bring me to opening up this profile About section. But even once I do, it's very busy, very, very busy. I know you got a lot of words in here. I don't know if you're trying to get the keywords in here to get found, but it's got to be readable. Otherwise, people aren't going to want to do it. And then the big thing is you don't have a current position. Yours ended, last one ended in May of 2019. That is stopping you from being found in searches. Then when I go to open it up, you've got a bit more of the same. It's crammed in there. Recruited to. Now that sounds good. That starts off good, but responsibilities include. When people start saying responsibilities include, responsible for, that's a turnoff to recruiters. You need to give us results. What was the accomplishment? Did you save man hours, save injuries, save and improve quality? I want to know what you've done as a result of the quality efforts. Also, I would suggest getting rid of the months here to make sure you get rid of as many gaps as you can. You've got little positions here that were short. Maybe even not even have those on there. You could have this one in 2016, maybe have that be 2017, and then this is 2017 here, and you may not need that 3-month one. So there's a lot of things we could say more here. You've got 13 skills, Office, Excel, project planning. I don't see anything about quality. That was another thing that jumped out at me. And also, of course, remove the competition. Anyway, I'm over the 2 minutes. I really wanted to keep this down and short and sweet. I sure hope people have listened to this up to this point. Please let me know, are these worth it? Am I spending too much time on these? Or are you guys getting something from this? Is it helping? Please let me know in the comments, and please fix that picture, Tancred, and the profile, make it pop more, and you'll be on your way in no time. Thanks, guys. Have a great one.